Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at the match function in Excel. The match function is primarily used for looking up a position for an item or a piece of data in a range of data. So it's similar to the lookup functions that you'll run into in Excel, but unlike the VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP functions, match is going to return the position where that item falls within the data set. Very commonly used with the index match function combination, but we're going to go ahead and do some examples here of the match function. What we're going to do here, we are going to go ahead and give an example of when you might want to use the match function. So this is a very small data set that we have here. What we would do if we wanted to know where a specific expense fell, maybe we have a very large list of different expenses on a budget or whatnot. What we'd want to do if we wanted to find exactly where that expense fell or which position in a lookup array, we could easily do that using the match function. So we're going to do equals match, and then we'll hit tab. So lookup value, what is it that we're looking for? What is it that we're wanting to find in that lookup array? So you can type in janitorial or one of the other expenses. If you're going to do that, make sure you use the quotation marks. What we're going to do is we're going to just go ahead and select the cell next to it. So we could change that. Lookup value will be janitorial. Next thing we want to do, lookup array. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select the list of expenses, and that is going to be our lookup array. And then, so it's going to ask, what's the match type? And because we're using words, typically we're just going to want to go with a 0, an exact match. We want to find exactly that janitorial budget line. So we hit enter there, and it pulls that it's in position 3. So if we look, it is indeed in position 3, so that we knew that it ran correctly. So again, like with a small example, it doesn't, maybe it doesn't make sense. But what we can do is we have this longer list of different expenses here. So for example, let's say we wanted to find where's parking. And again, this is commonly used with match index, that combination. So what we're going to do is, give it another example, we'll do equals match, hit tab there, then look up value. So we want to find parking. Where is the parking expense for our budget? So we'll just hit another comma, look up array. Again, it's just this column of the different expenses we're going to be looking at. So I hit Control-Shift down arrow, and that's going to select the entire column. Then I'm going to hit a comma after that, and then I'm going to scroll up here so we can see the formula. But then I'm going to hit 0 because we're looking for that exact match, so that exact verbal writing. So then I'm going to hit close parentheses and hit enter, and that's going to give us position 14. So if I were to go and just do like a count here, it's 14 there. So easily gives us that position using the match function. If you have any additional questions or would like me to elaborate further on any of this, please let me know in the comments below, and please subscribe to the Excel Guy.